Good morning everyone. Now in this class we will discuss some questions which are given in class 11 RD Sharma. Yes. So first of all let me write down the question. So question number 1, if the sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n and its nth term is 164. Find the value of n. Yes. If the sum of n term is given 3n square plus 5n and its nth term is 164, find the value of n. Okay, now here Sn given and the value of an given, and the question is find the value of n. Now till now we did not get any relation between Sn and an. Now let me show you what is the relation between Sn and an. Suppose let me take an example. Suppose this is a series or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Now see here, this is the first term. This is the first term. This is the second term, and this is third term in this way. Yes. Now what is the sum up to first term? Sum up to first term is 1. And what is the sum up to second term? That is 3. Sum up to third term, that is equal to what? 6. Okay, now see, let me show you what is the relation. A1, here A1 equal to first term equal to 1, which is the summation up to first term. So first term is 1, summation up to first term also 1, that is A1 equal to S1. Now A2, what is A2? A2 equal to 2. Now what is S2? S2 sum up to second term. Sum up to second term is 1 plus 2, 3. Now A2 equal to 2. So if we subtract the first term from the second term, S2 means 3, S1 means 1. That is equal to A2 or not? A2 or not? Similarly, what is A3? A3 equal to 3. Now what is S3? 1, 2, 3. That is 6. So A3 equal to S3 minus S2. Now see, S3 equal to 6, S2 equal to 3. That is equal to 3 or not? Which is equal to A3. So from here we got a relation that An equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is the relation between An and Sn. Means if Sn is given, then the formula to find An is equal to An equal Sn minus 1. So here in this question Sn is given and the value of An is given. So from the given conditions, from that is Sn, we have to find out the An, and then the value of An is given 164. Then replace it, we will get the value of n. Yes. Now see how you solve this one. Okay, here Sn equal 3n square plus 5n. Sn equal 3n square plus 5n. Therefore Sn minus 1 means we replace the n by n plus 1. So on the right hand side also we replace the n by n minus, sorry, it is n minus 1, n minus 1. 3n square minus twice n plus 1 plus 5n minus 5. So 3n square minus 6n plus 3 plus 5n minus 5. So 3n square minus n minus 2. Yes. What is an? An equal to Sn minus 1 equal 3n square minus n minus 2. Therefore an equal Sn minus 1. Sn equal to 3n square plus 5n, and Sn minus 1, this one, cancel, so 6n plus 2, 6n plus 2. Now an equal 6n plus 2. What is the value of an? 164. So 164 equals 6n plus 2. So 6n equal 162. So n equal 6 2s are 12, 6 7s are 27. So number of terms equal to how much? 27. Yes. So if Sn given, this is the formula to find an. Sn this one, Sn minus 1, replace all the n by n minus 1. This. Then n minus 1 whole square, this n square minus twice n plus 1, 5n minus 5, 3n square minus 6n plus 3, this 3n square minus n minus 2. So an equal Sn minus 1, Sn this one, Sn minus this one. As there is a minus symbol, so all the symbol will be changed. Minus to become plus to become minus. So an equal to 6n plus 2. Then the value of an is equal to 164, which is given. So replace an by 164. Then 6n equal to 164 minus 2, 162. So n equal to 27. Next question. The interior angles of a polygon. The interior angles of a polygon are in AP. The smallest angle is the smallest angle is 120 degree, and the common difference is 5 degree. Common difference is 5 degree. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Find the number of sides of the polygon. The interior angles of a polygon are in AP. The smallest angle is 120 degree, and the common difference is 5 degree. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, now here the smallest angle is given, that is the first angle of the polygon, which is equal to 120 degree, and the common difference is 5 degree. Here b equal to 5 degree. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, now here the interior angle of the polygon in class 5 degree, according to actual book, in class 5 got a formula that the sum of the interior angles of any polygon is given by number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula. Sum of the interior angles of any polygon equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n equal to what? N equal to number of sides. Where n equal to number of sides. Okay, now take an example. In triangle, how many sides are there? Triangle 3 sides. So 3 minus 2 1, 1 into 180 180. So the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180. In quadrilateral, n equal to 4. So 4 minus 2 2, 2 into 180 360. In pentagon, 5 minus 2 3 into 180 540. In this way. So this is the formula to find the sum of the interior angles of any polygon, that is number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree, and minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay. Now here what is given? A given. In this question, A equal to 120 degree and D equal to what? 5 degree. Therefore, what is sum of the interior angles of the polygon? That is Sn. Sn equal to n by 2, because Sn is also represent the summation. Here it is polygon, so here Sn represent the sum of the interior angles of the polygon, because here angle given, first angle given 120, common difference given 5 degree. So here Sn represent the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. So n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 D. So Sn equal n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 D. Sn equal n by 2 240 degree plus 5n minus 5. Yes. So this is Sn. Sn equal to 245 plus 235 plus 5n. Now this is the sum of the interior angles of polygon, and this is the another formula to find the sum of the interior angles of any polygon. Now this is Sn, this is also Sn. Now we can compare them. Therefore n minus 2 into 180 equal n by 2 235 plus 5, and yes, n by 2 235 plus 5n, and this one n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now do the cross multiply. N minus 2 into 360 equal 235 n plus 5 n square. This is equal to 360 n minus 720 equal 235 n plus 5 n square. 360 n minus 720 is equal to 235 n plus 5 n square. So 5 n square plus 235 n minus 360 n plus 720 equal to 0. 5 n square plus 235 n minus 360 n plus 720 equal to 0. 5 n square, 360 minus 225 equal to 125, minus 125 n plus 720 equal 0. 5 n square minus 125 plus 720 equal to 0. Now all this number 5n square, 125 and 720 are divisible by 5. So divide them by 5. N square minus 25 n 5 1 then 5 4 then 5 4 144. So n square minus 25 n plus 144 equal to 0. Now factorize this one. 16 144 36 to 18 to 9. How much? 144, 16 plus 9, 25, 16 plus 25. 144 equal 0. So n square minus 16n minus 9n plus 144 equal to 0. So n into n minus 16 minus n 9 n minus 16 equal 0. N minus 16 or n equal 16 or n equal to 9. Now here we got two values of n. Now we'll check which one is possible, which one is not possible. Yes. Now an means the last triangle. If it is not concave quadrilateral, we know that in a normal quadrilateral or also normal polygon, the last triangle is or any angle is not more than 180 degree. So first of all, take n equals 16, a plus n minus 1 d, a 120, n equal to 16, that is 15, d 5, 120 plus 75, 195, which is not possible. Which is not possible. Therefore, n equal to what? N equal to 9. So the polygon has 9 sides. Understood? The sum of the first P, Q, R terms of an AP are A, comma B, comma C respectively. Show that A by P, Q minus R plus B by Q, R minus P plus C by R, P minus Q equals 0. So the sum of the first P, Q and R term of an AP are A minus or A comma B comma C respectively. Show that A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q equal to 0. Okay, now here SP, SQ and S are given. SP equal to A, SQ equal to B and R equal to C. So first of all, here we can't consider the first term be smaller because the value of SP equal to small a given. So here we will consider that the first term is, suppose capital A. Let the first term be capital A and common difference be capital D, or you can consider small d also because in the question there is no D. First SP given, SP equal to A. So S3 means P by 2 twice A plus, here consider first term capital A. So twice A plus P minus 1 capital D equal to A. Now see here we have to find out A by P. So do the cross multiply 1 by 2 into twice A plus P minus, twice capital A into D equal A by P. Equation number 1. Yes, correct. Then SQ equal to B. SQ equal to B. SQ formula Q by 2 twice A plus Q minus 1 D equal B. So 1 by 2 twice A plus Q minus 1 D equal B by Q. Question number 2. And then SR equal to C. SR formula R by 2 twice A plus R minus 1 D equal C. So 1 by 2 twice A plus R minus 1 D equal C by R. That is equation number 3. Yes, we got A by P, B by Q and C by R. Now see here A by P with another term, that is Q minus R. B by Q with another term R minus P and C by R with P minus Q. We have to add them because symbol between them is plus. So we have to add them but not directly. Here we have to multiply equation 1 with Q minus R. Yes. Then equation 2 with R minus P. Then equation 3 with P minus Q. So what will happen? First A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P, C by R into P minus Q equal. Here see in equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3 half is common or not? Yes, half is common. Can I have the question? Yes. Okay, this one. Equal from here next line will show. See here half, okay, half Q minus R into twice A plus P minus 1 D plus half common here equation to multiply by R minus P. R minus P into twice A plus Q minus 1 D. Be careful. Then here last one P minus Q plus P minus Q twice A plus P Q, then R minus 1 D. Yes, Q minus R twice A plus P minus 1 D, then next one R minus P twice A plus Q minus 1 D, then P minus Q twice A plus R minus 1 D. Okay, then next. Now this is equal to this and we have to prove that this equals 0. So the value of this must be equal to 0. Now we will simplify this one and the value must be equal to 0. Then we can show that, or we can say that this equal to 0. Okay, half. Now see, this multiply twice A, this multiply twice A, this multiply twice A. So twice A is common. Twice A is common. So Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. Then next this into this into D. This into this D. So here also D common. So plus D and multiply there within break it directly. P into Q, PQ, Q into 1, Q, minus R into P, minus RP, minus R into 1, plus 1, plus R, plus QR minus R plus PQ plus P plus PR minus P minus QR plus Q. Got it? Okay, let me check. Q minus R minus P, P minus Q, then PQ minus Q minus PR plus R. Then QR minus R minus PQ. It's minus PQ. Okay, minus PQ. Minus PQ plus P. Then PR minus P minus QR plus Q. Here plus Q, cancel, cancel, cancel. Here plus Q minus PQ. Okay, cancel. Minus Q plus Q. Okay. Minus PR plus PR. We cancel. Plus R minus R. Plus QR minus QR. Plus P minus P. All cancel means half into 0. So equal to 0. Done. So this equal to what? 0. Finish. So these are the questions. Again, if possible, next class we will do few more extra questions. Okay. Thank you. Bye.